Happiness. Happiness can be found even in the darkest days of our lives. If someone turns the light. So that is a very famous, well-known quote that I adopted from Professor Dumbledore, as you know, as I know, the headmaster of the great school, the great Hogwarts, the school of witchcrafts and wizards. So being a huge fan of Harry Potter, normally I adopt things from the series. So I thought of getting a start to my speech from it, because I'm going to talk about a better world after a huge crisis. So my topic for today is future world after coronavirus. Simply, I believe that we have to think about two facts. One, environment. Two, the economy. So as I think, I see a better world after the coronavirus in those two aspects. So moving on, so we know, it's a matter of fact that we all know, after 2019 December, when China has first disclosed to this coronavirus, for the time being, for like 6 months, 7 months, more than 16 million of people all over the globe from 213 countries has been infected to this disease. And there are numerous of numbers, there are massive number of death toll as well. So it's not a good thing. Yeah, I accept that. But still, we forgot the impacted party was only human beings. But human beings are not only creature who has the right to live in this globe. Despite the fact that humans are being affected negatively, I would like to talk about the positive impact the environment, the Mother Nature has got. First, as a fact and figure, I can tell that throughout the lockdown period that China had, the carbon emission percentage that they are doing for the nature has been decreased for 25%, and almost 77,000 lives, the creature lives, has been saved due to this lockdown period. So we are learning new things, we are moving for new patterns, so we can tell that our world is moving for the betterment. So my next point is the social impact, social relationships. So I told that I will be talking about environment. So now we're moving for the economy. So mostly being Sri Lanka's small country, we are still in the third stage of, we are still developing country, but still countries like us have understood that we don't have to depend on other countries anymore. The supply chains has been into more local than global. As well as we have learned, we can do shopping, we can do work through online. So we have more time to be home, we have more time to be with our relatives, we have more time to build up our relationships. So love is what we all need. So talking about all those things, I believe the world after coronavirus will be a great place, a better place to live, not only for human beings, but for each and every creature in the world. So I personally believe, even though it's a crisis, even though there are significant negative impacts, still we can build the positive things and we can go for a better future. So that's all I had to share. Thank you so much.